Woulda dey na the bar, money man don't call na the bar. Eh, woulda dey na the bar, diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Woulda dey na the bar, money man.
What's up, team? Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Click Up My Canal. So today I'm here to do a demo / review on this E.L.F cosmetic skincare kits. For some of you guys who have been following me, who have watched my skincare videos, you guys know I'm using their Happy Hydration cream. This is what I'm using. I have the big container and I really love this. It's so good. It's like one of the best affordable moisturizer if you have like a dry / oily combination skin, for like sensitive skin. So I really like it. But every time I'm going weekend, I'm going to like do sleepover, I have to take this big container and I just don't like it. So I saw this one at the do class. This video is not sponsored. I picked this up myself. If you have watched my unboxing video that I post a couple of days ago, you guys will know that you guys have already seen this. So I saw this on do class. They were having sales on it for like €6 or something. Normally it costs like €16. They were having sales. I don't remember the price, but they were having sales much more cheaper than the original price. So I thought, you know what, let me give it a try, because they have the small moisturizer packaging in it, and if you're going for a weekend, it's very travel friendly. It's very nice to take along for a weekend. And they also have the puff primer, and they also have their face oil and some lip balm. So this is what the packaging is looking like. It looks really beautiful. I really love it. So I want to come and show you guys how I use this one. So first, I've just washed my face. My hand is clean. Normally I like to use brush to apply my primer, but this time my hands is clean. I've washed my hand. As you guys can see, my skin is pretty dry. I have a very dry / oily combination skin, so it's very dry, but I haven't done anything. So these are, let me open the packaging. Actually, the moisturizer, I have this one in the big package, the big container. So actually this one and this one, they are the only two moisturizers that I use on my face. Personally, I don't have a bunch of product I use on my face, so these are the only two products I use on my face. So now that I have washed my face, I haven't applied any product. So first, what I would do, I will start first with their primer, with their face cream moisturizer. I'll just take a little bit. I like to dab it on my face like this, just dab it. I use quite a lot because my skin is very dry. I use quite a lot, and then I just take a little bit more and I rub it on my hand, and I go in and just with circular motion, I just massage this into my skin. And also on my forehead, I just like to massage, just rub it like all over my face. I put this headband and it was very tight. Now I have this black scar on my face. So I'm going to moisturize this very nice. I also like to take a little bit, rub it on my hand. I like to bring it down my neck and just down, and also go upwards in a circular motion at the back of my neck as well. So now that I've done this, normally it's because this is a video, but normally what I will do is I will allow this moisturizer to soak into my skin. Like for example, if I'm just finishing taking showers, you guys can see the difference when I moisturize my face, how beautiful my skin is looking right now. What I would normally do if I'm just from the shower, I will first go in with this moisturizer on my face, and then I will go in with my body cream. Why I'm allowing the moisturizer to like penetrate the skin, to really take over the skin. After moisturizing my skin, and then I will go in with my moisturizer also that has SPF 25 in it, and I'll go with this one later. But because it's a video, I don't have any other thing to do, and I don't want you guys to keep waiting for a long time, I'm gonna take this moisturizer that has an SPF that also help protect my skin from the sun. I do the same thing. I go in a lot with moisturizers, so yeah, that's the reason why moisturizer are the things that I buy every few months, every 2 months or something like that. Because I've picked this one out, like this is the one I'm using now is the third bottle that I have picked up. That's how much I actually love it. So I'm just going to take my finger and do the same thing. Just do the same thing. Massage this into my neck, into my face, and also later I'll take a little bit as well and use it on my neck. Yeah, I just love that moisturizer. It just looks so beautiful. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this one, and I'm going to also do that dabbing motion on my neck as well, because you guys know my neck and my face, they are the places that they are more exposed to the sun. So I always like to go in with SPF, sun protective cream around my neck. So this is so beautiful. Guys, see how my skin is looking compared to when I didn't moisturize. My skin was looking very, very dry. So now I'm gonna close this one, and this one I'm gonna keep it aside just for the sake of this video. That's the reason why I use this one, to show you guys how I use it. But normally I'm gonna keep this one for those days that I'm going for weekend traveling, sleepover, and I don't need to take a whole lot of stuff. And I love the smell. So now we're going to take their lip balm. Oh, I love this lip balm. I've smelled it. It has this minty smell. It smells so beautiful. I love it. Yes, I need something like that. Normally I have this little Vaseline lip balm, but this one, oh, it smells really beautiful. So now that I have used these two products, this is their face oil. So this is this one I haven't actually used it before. I don't have this one. The only product I have in this collection is this moisturizer, because I don't really put a lot of stuff on my face. I have a really sensitive skin, and I'm trying to, if you guys have watched my previous skincare videos, I'll put maybe a little video here of what my face used to look like. So now that I have actually found something that works for me, I want to stick with it. I don't want to be trying different skincare, different products, because when I was pregnant with my daughter, I did have breakouts on my mouth here. It's like a hormone something with pregnancy, and after the pregnancy it didn't go away. It take almost like 3 years before I could actually get rid of this thing and also find a very nice and simple skincare routine for me, and which I have been really loving and has been really helping. Maintaining my skincare routine has been really helping me. Also, one thing that I've stopped using is I stopped using baby wipes to remove my makeup, because I used to do that a lot. And I've noticed that since I stopped using baby wipes to remove my makeup, I don't use those makeup remover wipes anymore. I use coconut oil or olive oil or any kind of oil, but it's not like coconut oil and olive oil, sometimes avocado oil. And also what I have been using these few days, I do mix my fenugreek oil. I do have a fenugreek seed, and I put olive oil onto the fenugreek seed, let it soak for a couple of weeks, and I also use that to remove my makeup, and it has been working wonderful. So I try not to use different products, and so far my skin is looking very. Of course, I still do have some of those dark spot around, those dark mark, but it's okay. So far my skin has been looking very great. I really like it. So this is what this one is looking like. It's very tiny. So let's give this a try. I've never really used this before. It's my first time, but I thought, you know what, I pick it up. Ooh, it's an oil. Let's just do 1 drop and 1 drop. Okay, it doesn't really have a smell. I can't smell anything. For me, it doesn't really have a smell. Okay, it doesn't have a smell, but I don't know. But let me just apply this onto my face. If you guys can hear those kids, that daughter of mine, that little girl, she's the only one. You will tell her, can you please be silent? And she will answer you as if she's going to listen. But as soon as you started your work, she started her noise. So I'm just going to, this one look a little bit oily and shiny, but okay, so I'm going to allow this one to soak into the skin before I go in with the puff puff primer. So for example, this is when you want to do your makeup. So like after doing all of this step, you can just go ahead and do your makeup. But for the oily thing, I'm going to allow it first to kind of like sink into the skin. Give it a couple of minutes for it to like really penetrate and sink into the skin, and then I'll be back to apply the puff puff primer, and then I'll go ahead and do my makeup. So stay tuned, we'll be back. So now it's time for us to use the puff puff face primer. I'm just gonna take a little bit because my skin is already super moisturized, and this primer will makes your makeup look very flawless. I know I look kind of crazy right now, but it makes your makeup look very, I've seen a lot of great reviews. This is my first time actually trying it, but I've seen a lot of great reviews on this primer, so I'm expecting. And by the way, E.L.F's cosmetic always have some really good primers, you know. For drugstore, they always, when it comes to primers, they always killed it. They always like nailed it. They always have some really great primers. So I saw some great reviews on this one, so I'm not expecting anything less. Okay, I'm not expecting anything less. If you live in the Netherlands and you want to buy some, you want to get some of E.L.F's cosmetic products, you can check out the Douglas, because Douglas, they do sell it on the E.L.F's website. You have to have you can't pay Ideal anyway. I haven't really seen an Ideal payment ID payment there, but if you guys see that, let me know. But I know that you have to have some Visa card or credit card or something for you to buy from there. But you can check the Douglas. Douglas have a lot of E.L.F's cosmetic products as well. You can check it there. Ooh, bring that down to my neck. Yes, my skin is looking beautiful. So guys, this is how I use my health cosmetic skincare kit. I hope you all like this video, and if you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I really love it. I can't wait to like give this oil more try. If it's this is like I don't know, maybe I'll use this one, and when it's finished I'll pick up the big container. But so far I'm loving these two as my face product. They're really working wonders for my skin. My skin is looking beautiful, it's looking very youthful. You know, take good care of your skin. So yeah, this is it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box. If you guys have tried any of this product, let me know in the comment box. And if you guys have any questions, let me know also. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Skin is looking flawless and beautiful. Peace out. Bye.